IMDG Code Volume 1 is a core part of the International Maritime Dangerous Goods (IMDG) Code, which is published by the International Maritime Organization (IMO). It provides the regulatory framework and general requirements for the safe transport of dangerous goods by sea. While Volume 2 focuses on individual substances, Volume 1 explains the rules, principles, and procedures that must be followed before dangerous goods are accepted on board a ship. Overview of IMDG Code. Volume 1 IMDG Code Volume 1 is designed to protection of the marine environment and safe ship operation when carrying dangerous goods. It applies to all ships involved in international transport of hazardous materials, including container ships, bulk carriers, ro-ro vessels, and general cargo ships. This volume explains how dangerous goods should be classified, packaged, labeled, documented, stowed, segregated, and handled. It is essential reading for ship officers, shore-based staff, freight forwarders, and anyone involved in maritime dangerous goods transport. Structure of IMDG Code Volume 1. Volume 1 is divided into several parts, each covering a specific aspect of dangerous goods transport. General provisions, definitions, and training. This section introduces the scope and application of the IMDG Code. It defines key terms such as dangerous goods, marine pollutants, and limited quantities. It also emphasizes mandatory training requirements, stating that all personnel involved must be properly trained according to their responsibilities. Dangerous goods are classified into 9 hazard classes, such as explosives, flammable liquids, toxic substances, and corrosives. Volume 1 explains class definitions, subclasses and divisions, criteria for assigning substances to the correct class. Correct classification is critical because it determines packaging, labeling, stowage, and segregation requirements. Packaging requirements. This part outlines how dangerous goods must be safely packed to prevent leakage or damage during sea transport. It includes types of approved packaging, performance standards, packing instructions and testing requirements. Marking, labeling, and placarding. Volume 1 specifies rules for hazard labels, marine pollutant marks, UN number markings, placards for cargo transport units. These visual warnings ensure that ship crew, port workers, and emergency responders can quickly identify hazards. Documentation. Accurate documentation is a legal requirement. This section explains dangerous goods declaration, multimodal dangerous goods form, special certificates and approvals. Incorrect or missing documentation can lead to cargo rejection, delays, or serious safety risks. Stowage and segregation. Volume 1 provides general principles for where dangerous goods may be stowed on board, separation of incompatible substances, use of segregation tables. Proper stowage and segregation help prevent fires, explosions, and chemical reactions during the voyage. Emergency response and safety provisions. This part links to emergency schedules and gives guidance on actions during fire, spillage, or leakage, use of protective equipment, safety measures for crew and ship. Although detailed emergency schedules are in Volume 2 and the supplement, Volume 1 explains when and how they apply. IMDG Code. Volume 1 acts as the rulebook for dangerous goods transport by sea. Without understanding Volume 1, it is impossible to correctly apply the technical details found in Volume 2. It ensures compliance with international maritime law, protection of seafarers and port workers, prevention of marine pollution, safe and efficient ship operations. Conclusion. IMDG Code Volume 1 is the foundation of maritime dangerous goods safety. It explains the principles, responsibilities, and procedures that govern every stage of handling hazardous cargo at sea. For deck officers, cadets, shipping professionals, and maritime students, mastering Volume 1 is essential for safe navigation, legal compliance, and professional competence in modern shipping. Thank you for watching this video.